Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will be discussing and talking about Phantom Wallet, how to install it on your Chrome extension and the features that it has. We'll go through it. So what is Phantom Wallet? Phantom Wallet is a crypto wallet that you'll love. Phantom makes safe and easy for you to store, send, receive, stake, and swap tokens on the Solana blockchain. A lot of people heard about Solana. Some people may even call it the Ethereum killer, but I'm not going to comment on anything like that. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show people how to install and to use their wallets and to keep their stuff safe. This video is only made for entertainment purposes and educational. So without further ado, let's get to it. Right, so Phantom Wallet, turn your browser into a crypto wallet. So on Phantom Wallet, what you can do, send, you can receive, you can collect NFT, and you can swap tokens. The layer looks like this. We'll do it in a minute. And all the features that you want is non-custodial. Excuse me. Uh, we have never, we have never access to any of your data or funds, guys. This is everything is in your hand. So, when you are writing down your seed phrase, make sure you note it down somewhere, write it down somewhere instead of leaving it on the computer because, you can get hacked or your computer can, you can lose it or, it can burn. Anything can happen. So write it down in a piece of paper or, store it. There's other ways that you can store it and more secure, but just to make it simple, keep it in a piece of paper and leave it somewhere safe. Or do it in 3 pieces of paper and leave it in different places, somewhere secure. And it's got the token swap. Use our built index to safely swap. So you can actually swap some of the coins that you want. For example, Solana to USDC. Example, you can swap while you're in the app in the wallet. So that's a very very convenient thing. You can collect also your NFTs and any other collectibles that you have. It's supported by Ledger. Web3 support, and you can do Solana staking where you can earn rewards by staking directly inside your wallet. People, you can see people love using Phantom. Here's some, you can go through that website and just, go through it. Those are the browsers that the Phantom supports: Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and Edge. So without further ado, let's go and do this, install it step by step. So you can either click here, add to Chrome, or you can click there. Either way, it doesn't matter. And then it'll take you to a different page. So now what you're going to do, once you come to this page, you're going to click add it to Chrome. It will ask you add Phantom to Chrome, and then you say add extension. It should download here. Once the download completes and carries on, well, then what happens is it's gonna pop up here. We'll just have to wait for it. See, as you guys can see, the MetaMask there. So now what we're going to do is bring it checked, leave that. We're gonna, okay, now we are on the Phantom wallet. So you have 2 options, guys, here. One is to create a new wallet, which we'll be doing in this video, to show you guys. I'm not going to be using the wallet, by the way, so feel free to use it. It's just for purpose, just to show people how to use it. So all you can do, use the secret recovery phrase. If you have a Phantom wallet already and you have your seed phrase, you can do that, but we're not going to do that today. So let's click here, create a new one, and you'll get your secret recovery phrase. This is the only way you'll be able to recover your account, guys. I repeat, this, if you lose these 12 digits here, 12 letters, your account is gone. This is the problem with DeFi wallets or the wallet, this type of wallets. It's not a problem, but it's actually, it's securer. You're in control of your wallet, but if you lose your seed phrase, you cannot get it back. So what I'm going to do is copy it, put it here, and we're going to say, yeah, okay, I saved it. So it will ask you a password, and this password is just to get into the browser, like as in the Phantom extension on the browser. So every time you click on your Phantom wallet, it will ask you this password. So just make a password. Okay, and then you say agree to the terms. And then this is a shortcut that you can open once you do the installation and everything. You can try Alt and Shift plus P. I'm gonna continue. You can also, follow the Fountain on their Twitter. If you need help with it, visit the help center. Now that we've finished, we should go here, and our fountain is there. Bam, pin it, and it should pop up. So now we're gonna click on it, and there we go. So now we've got our Phantom wallet open. Yeah, this is it. This is the Phantom wallet, guys. So it's as easy as that, installing it. So once you do that, let me give you guys a general overall of how, like, the layout of the wallet. So the same principle as the MetaMask. You've got your wallet here address. If you ever need to send anything to anyone, you copy this address, and receive something from someone, you copy this address and give them. On here, you will need some Solana in there to have that green light, because now that it's red, it's not connected. But what I've noticed, once you have some Solana in there, it does turn green. On here, you can deposit. So you have, and several options on here. You can directly buy with Moonbuy. You can transfer from FTX. I don't have an account on FTX, so if you have an account, you can directly, install it from there. We're not going to do that. You can buy it from this third party, I believe. Let's have a look. I'm not sure what it is, so I'm just exploring with you guys as well. Bear with me. Right, okay, so you have the amount that you need to buy of that. It will tell you how much it is for 300, the price of Solana at the moment. So what you will get for $300, for example, you will get 1.3 Solar, and then you just click here, and then I believe it will ask you for email verification, blah blah blah. So you should be able to do it via that way. And yeah, so this is the other way that you can do if you got Solana and other exchanges. The simplest way is just copy this and then go to the exchange wherever you are, and then on that exchange or other wallet. For example, if you have another wallet that's Solana based network, so you just click send and you put your wallet address that you copied into there when you're sending it, and then it should pop up here. Same thing. If you want to send, you just search for the address here, and then actually, what you need to do first is add a custom address. And guys, and the reason I asked you, I told you guys you need to have Solana, because some of the custom address, if you're gonna add it, well, not some, all of them, you will need a Solana fees. It's not a lot, but you'll still need a Solana fees. So you can get the mint address from the website, or the actual website. But usually I go to Coin Market Cap, and I just get the actual address for the coin. You put the address there, you put the name and the symbol, add, as simple as that, and it will add. Okay, next, what we need to talk about is your NFTs. Let's say now you have Solana based NFTs, and you want them, then you want to collect them in your wallet, secure them, for example, in wherever marketplace you bought it from. you can actually put it in here and it will show up in here, all your NFTs. As I don't have any NFTs, it will not show, but yeah, this is how you do it. You can click receive collectibles, and then here you copy the address. It's the same address, guys. So if you have that address, you don't need to go through that way, but I just wanted to show you guys the other thing. To get to that, you need to click these three dots here. All right, next one is what I really like about Solana's Phantom's wallet, which is really interesting because you can actually interchange within the wallet. So let's say now you have some Solanas and you want to change it to USDT or USDC or even the other coins. There's very few other coins here. Radium as well, guys. I'm sure some of you guys heard about it. USDC, you'll be able to, automatically just change. As I don't have any Solana, it will, mention how much it will give you the rate. So one Solana is equivalent to 219.23739 USDC, and then it will next to it, it will tell you the slippage tolerance. So it's about 1%. Estimated gas fee is about $45. 45 cents, sorry guys, $45. Fucking hell. Apologies. 45 cents. So it's very cheap compared to Ethereum, fees. So it's convenient. On here, it will tell you about your recent activities, what you've done, the transactions, everything will be showing here. As I mentioned, because it's red, it won't show, and there's not any activities. On here, you have your wallet where you can, change the name. You can change the name. You can have the language there, so you can manage your, address books that you added. You've got the trusted, and apps that you trust, any apps that you added, change password, auto lock timer, and then change network. So I believe, and they all have the same system, and I'll find out and put a new video for that, how to add it. But this is, you'll be able to add another network, I believe. But at the moment, this is the networks. And then you got your, export your private keys. If you, didn't write down your recovery phrase, you can look at it here. And, if you want to remove wallet, reset recovery phrase. So, yeah, guys, this is Phantom. I hope, the video. Oh, yeah, sorry. One other thing. If you have another Phantom wallet, what you can do is add the wallet that you have. Like, let's say you have your private key, you can import into here. If you want to create a sub wallet within the wallet, you can create a new wallet and it will give you a different address. So you can, spread your coins, at least that way you keep track. And then also you can collect to your Ledger wallet as well, the hardware wallet. And that's another, most secure way, to secure your assets, guys. I believe that's it. I hope the video was helpful. We will be sharing other videos in regards other wallets, how to use them, and how those wallets can interact with some of the DeFi exchanges, such as like for Solana now it will be like Radium, how you can buy things in Radium at Radium, sorry. And so we will be discussing a variety of other subjects. But guys, thank you for tuning in and thank you for your time. I hope you found this useful, and yeah, I hope you have a good day.